Mae Maggie Ogunbanwo dwi o Maggie's African Twist. Busnes sy'n rhedeg allan o Pen-y-Groes. Da ni'n neud cynnyrch Africanaidd, salsas neu spices Africanaidd. So we call ourselves a Welsh African business because we are deeply rooted in Wales, but all our inspiration is from African products. We've been going here since 2016 really, and we started with about 5 products and now have over 30 products. The Cywain program has been invaluable actually for me. It's been what I shout about the most. All I can say is now I had the opportunity to apply like everybody else did, and I'm now a member of the Food and Drink Wales Industry Board, just to show how much I believe in food and drink in Wales and how much it has impacted me and made a change. In fact, let me summarize it this way. I had a dream, and through the Welsh food and drink industry, through Cywain, through the opportunities that are made available to businesses, my dream has come to life. Every time I make a sauce, or every time I go into shops and think, oh, that's my sauce on the shelf, or I still get excited about that. And I know that hasn't been possible on my own. I know that if we didn't have Cywain, if we didn't have programs like that, if we didn't have the Welsh Food and Drink Board, if we didn't have the Welsh Government a particular interest in pushing Welsh food and drink, I would not be here. The next step for Maggie's African Twist, well, part of our current journey, which is exciting, is that I've written 3 different cookery books. I've written The Melting Pot, I've written An African Twist, and I've written a quick reads, which has 10 recipes in it, called The Journey. And so I'm not stopping there. There will be other cookery books, and I don't know, anything looking around the world and connected with Wales will be those cookery books. And I have this exciting, I'm looking very far into the future. When we think about the way prices have increased now, I think that good products are going to have to be more accessible for more people. We get our produce from a local supplier, but it comes from abroad. But looking at ways of getting our products or our fresh ingredients from Wales, but drying them and making them lighter and more accessible, but actually then people being able to refresh them and making the same great sauces and spice mixes wherever they are. The exciting thing about being a part of this body that connects us, that encourages collaborations, encourages networks, opens you up to opportunities wider than yourself, opportunities wider than your own business.